Rather noisy here tonight. Bonfire night, Guy Fawkes night. Lots of bangers have been going off. I feel sorry for the poor wildlife and pets actually. It's not good for them. I used to have dogs and they used to cower under the table when it was like this, but there again, it's an old tradition, they've done it for years. Some of the shops these days are trying to ban fireworks, I think. Strange really. Everybody's always going on about terrorism, but you can go into a shop and buy a load of explosive fireworks and do what you want with them really. Pretty crazy. But anyway, that's us humans, isn't it? We tend to be selfish. We don't really care about animals and things. Oh, it's been a busy day today. I've been up to Liverpool. We had a bit of business to do there, so I thought it was raining then, it's the wind. Yeah, a bit of business to do in Liverpool, so nice to get back to home, even with the noise. Just enjoy my Condor ready rubbed in a compass pipe, lovely old vintage pipe with thick walls. Sorry about the noise. Doesn't seem 2 minutes since it was bonfire night last year. It's really gone fast, I can't believe it. It's absolutely amazing. The older you get, the faster time goes. Anyway guys, just a quick hello. So, I shall proceed with my Condor and hope that you're having a good firework night. Be safe. See you guys.